Hi and hello, our respected Indians. Welcome to our channel. So let's see here. Question is large, but solution is very less. So let's understand the question. Total students in a class in a school are 1000. 60% can speak Hindi, 20% can speak English. If number of students who can able to speak both, it is equal to who unable to speak both. So then in this situation we have to find out number of students who unable speak both languages. We have to find out who unable both languages. So both languages means I am taking here. So what are languages here? Hindi and English. So that's why let's take here Hindi, here English. Okay. So some students can't speak any language. So that's why I am taking them outside. Okay. So but it is equal to who can able to both languages. This is the condition. Okay. So now here 60% Hindi, how many members can speak? Hindi 60%. Hindi 60%. English 20%. So have you understood here? Total students, total number of students is equal to 1000. See here, out of 100%, 60% Hindi, 20% English. How much left out of 100%? 20% only left. So it is equal to 20%. We can understand number of unable speak. Okay, languages. 20% it is equal to who unable to speak both languages. Okay, who able, who unable. Okay, given in the question. So that's why I am taking number of unable speaking language students 20%. So we have to find out this only. So 20% of 1000. So is equal to 20 by 100 into 1000. Okay. Last zeros can be cancelled. So what is this? 20 into 10. 1 0 to 1 2 zeros. So 200. So option 200. Option A is the answer. Thank you. If you understood this problem, you can share it to your friends and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.